Looking for the best electric egg cooker but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best electric egg cooker based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. DEC-007RD Rapid Egg Cooker. This product takes the cake when it comes to making perfectly cooked eggs every time, thanks to its built-in precision thermal sensor that gives you consistent results with every use, no matter if you're making hard-boiled, soft-boiled, poached, scrambled, or individual omelets. It's a game-changer for anyone who's tired of overcooked or undercooked eggs, and it's especially great for families who love breakfast together, or for anyone who's short on time but still wants to cook healthy meals at home. With its ability to make a variety of egg dishes, it's perfect for households with multiple people or for those who like to mix things up, and the fact that it's easy to store and clean is just the icing on the cake. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with this product and I think it's a must-have for anyone who loves cooking eggs at home. Number 4. Kawu XM-ZD10 Egg Cooker. Are you tired of the same old boring breakfast routine? This versatile egg cooker stands out for its ability to cook a whole range of dishes, from perfect soft-boiled eggs to steamed custard and yogurt, all in one compact unit. It's perfect for cooking enthusiasts who love trying new recipes, or busy parents and professionals who need a quick and easy breakfast solution. With its smart reservation and precise timer, you can set it to cook for you at night, so it's ready to go when you wake up. The built-in auto-off technology ensures safety, and the high-quality stainless steel bowl locks in nutrients for healthy results. It's also incredibly portable and space-saving, making it perfect for small kitchens, dorms, and RVs. And with its one-touch automatic operation, it's incredibly easy to use, whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen newbie. Overall, it's a game-changer for anyone looking to mix up their morning routine and make healthy eating a breeze. Number 3. Elite Gourmet EGC-115B Easy Egg Cooker. Imagine it's a busy Sunday morning, you're trying to get breakfast on the table for your family and you're scrambling to get everything done at the same time. That's where this egg cooker shines. It's so easy to use. Just fill the pre-marked measuring cup with water and add to the cooking plate, press the power switch, and within minutes you'll have perfectly cooked eggs every time. The auto shut-off function gets it right every time, and it's faster than conventional stovetop methods, saving you time and water. What I love about this product is its versatility. It's not just an egg cooker, it's also a veggie or food steamer, and it's perfect for pairing with avocado toast or preparing deviled eggs. It's also incredibly compact, making it perfect as a back-to-school gift or for small kitchens, RVs, or offices. The included 7-egg tray, measuring cup, and clear lid are all dishwasher safe, and the instruction manual comes with 16 delicious recipes to get you started. Overall, this egg cooker is a game-changer for anyone who wants to cook perfect eggs with minimal fuss. Number 2. DEC-007BK Rapid Egg Cooker. This egg cooker is a game-changer when it comes to cooking eggs in a variety of ways, and its precision thermal sensor is the real standout feature here. With it, you get perfectly cooked eggs every time, no matter if you're making hard-boiled, soft-boiled, or poached eggs. It's foolproof. This egg cooker is perfect for anyone who wants to have a reliable breakfast solution at home, whether you're a busy professional or a parent on the go. It's also great for households with multiple people, as it can cook up to several eggs at once. I'm impressed with how easy it is to use and clean, and the fact that you can store all the accessories right inside the appliance is a huge bonus. Number 1. DEC-007AQ Rapid Egg Cooker. The one feature that really caught my attention with this egg cooker is its ability to cook a wide variety of eggs, from hard-boiled to poached, all within minutes, thanks to its built-in precision thermal sensor. If you're a busy household with a lot of mouths to feed, this egg cooker is a no-brainer, as it can handle multiple eggs at once and ensure perfectly cooked results every time. For families with kids, this egg cooker is a great addition to the kitchen, as it's easy to use and clean, with non-electric parts that are dishwasher safe. Overall, I've been impressed with the performance and convenience of this egg cooker, making it a great addition to any kitchen, whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these picks are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.